Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. How to target big brands in Amazon. Targeting big brands on Amazon requires a well-planned and strategic approach. Here are some tips that can help you target big brands on Amazon. Research your target audience. The first step is to understand your target audience and what big brands they are interested in. You can use Amazon's search bar to find the best-selling products in your category and see which big brands they are associated with. Optimize your product listings. Your product listings should be optimized for search engines on Amazon. Use relevant keywords, high-quality images, and clear product descriptions to highlight the unique features of your products. Your product listings should also stand out from the competition. Utilize Amazon advertising. Consider using Amazon advertising to target your products to the audiences of big brands. You can target customers who have viewed or purchased products from those brands. You can also advertise on specific pages associated with the big brands. Offer competitive pricing. Make sure that your products are competitively priced, as big brands often have significant pricing power on Amazon. Consider offering discounts or promotions to attract customers to try your products. Provide excellent customer service. Provide exceptional customer service to your customers. Positive customer reviews can help to build your brand reputation and increase sales. Leverage social media. Use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to promote your products and target big brands. You can run social media campaigns to attract customers and promote your products. In summary, targeting big brands on Amazon requires a comprehensive strategy that includes optimizing your product listings, leveraging Amazon advertising, offering competitive pricing, providing excellent customer service, and using social media to promote your products.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you.